On today's episode of Tool Review Tuesday, today I'm going to be testing out the Klein Tools Coax installation kit, which is used to connect coax cables with F connectors. The kit consists of a crimping tool, cable cutter, wire stripper, and a storage bag to hold everything, plus extra. I've used this about 20 times now, and today's project is just shortening up these coaxial cables for my antenna so I can watch some NFL football. There's just a lot of extra coaxial cable laying around, so let's fix that. We're working with RG6 wire, and it's got a very nice feel to the cut. The cut is nice and flush. I've got my back piece set to stop the cable, and this is RG6, like I said. Push down the plunger, insert the cable all the way, release the plunger, and then here's the finger loop. I'm just going to go around about 4 times. And it strips it back nice and neat. Move all these wires back. Grab one of our connectors. And you want this about 1/8 of an inch past the connector, and you want the inside, you want that white touching the metal piece. Once you've got that hooked up, grab your crimper, insert into the crimper, and then just squeeze. Now you got a perfect coaxial RG6 cable connection. Now I'm just hooking my connector up to my ground. Like a very small connection here. Make my cut. Push down the plunger, get rid of the old one. Release the plunger, 3 or 4 turns. Strip the metal back. Insert your connector all the way in. And then use the crimping tool. Nice and tight. So who's this tool set for? I would say if you're installing an antenna, a DIY type situation, you're gonna want as much wire as you need, or coaxial cable. Get the low loss outdoor UV shield rated if that's what you're doing, and make sure you got plenty. It's not that expensive to make your own connections. When you have this tool set, it's highly worth it. Now, if you're just hooking up 1 or 2 things and you don't have a long run, don't mind the little extra wire hanging around, then it's probably not worth it to invest in these tools. They're around 50-60 bucks at this time of the recording. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. But that's going to do it on this episode of Tool Review Tuesday. My name's Dave. See you on the next one.